Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved these single braids. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, be sure to continue watching. The hair that I used to achieve this look was the Expressions pre-stretched braiding hair in 52 inches, and we used the color 1B. So her hair was already washed and blow dried. I'm just gonna go ahead and part it into two sections. So I'm gonna put a part from ear to ear, and I'm just gonna put that front section away, and I'm going to be working with the back area first. So normally I do like sectioning the hair row by row just to get it all out the way, but today I just decided to just work as I go. So I just made that first parting at the back, and in this row I will be doing 3 braids. I did go ahead and use my glaze just to sharpen up my part and make it nice and clean. So once I've parted out the sections, I am going in with my ebon edge control, and I'm just going to place the edge control all over the entire section and then comb it through. So once it's nice and combed through, I'm just gonna go ahead and start my braid. So I start the braid by starting off as if I'm braiding, and then I add in a piece of hair, and then I add in the next piece of hair after. I'm using small pieces of hair, guys, to feed in to the braid, and I do like to separate the hair into small pieces before I start braiding. So as you can see, I've already added in 3 pieces. This is the 4th piece, and the most pieces of hair I would add into a braid is about 6, but if you do want it to be longer, you're gonna continue feeding in braids as you go down. So as you can see, that is all I do. There is nothing special to it, but I just want to show you guys some cute single braids. So yeah, we're gonna just watch as I work. And this time I actually braided the braids all the way to the end while I was going. Normally I just stop halfway and then braid out the ends afterwards, but I decided to just try something new. So I literally just braided down the braid to the very end and then did the next one, which actually worked out to be around the same amount of time I would do it anyway. So I don't think it makes a difference. It's probably just a preference thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
So once I finish braiding all the braids, I'm going in with my Nairobi foam and I'm just going to put that all over her head and on the ends of the braids as well. And once I've applied that, I'm going in with my wrap it up strips and I'm just going to tie down her hair and allow that to dry. You could use a blow dryer or you could just let it air dry, but we just let it air dry and then we came back to it. Next, you want to go in with some hot water. I just boiled some water and dip the ends just so it is not stiff. You want the braids to be relaxed. So I went in, dipped the ends, and used a towel to dry them. You can also go in with your blow dryer afterwards to dry out the ends because it is a lot of water. So that's what you see me doing now. And basically once I've dipped the water, I would normally go in and spray the hair with some oil sheen or something like that, but I didn't have any, so this is how it is looking. I will have the amount of braids in each row down in the description box below, so if you are wondering, it will be in the description. So thank you guys for watching this little tutorial. Hopefully it helped you. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed these styles. Make sure you like this video and I will see you guys in the next one.